Welcome to our exciting quiz about the Arctic and Antarctic Circles. Get ready for some fun and educational multiple choice questions that will challenge what you know about the top and bottom of our planet. Let's begin. Question number 1. At approximately what latitude are the Arctic and Antarctic circles located? 1. 45° north and south. 2. 55° north and south. Third, 75.5° north and south, or fourth, 66.5° north and south. The answer is 4, 66.5° north and south. The Arctic Circle is near the North Pole and its latitude is approximately 66.5° north, and the Antarctic Circle is near the South Pole and its latitude is approximately 66.5° south. Question number 2. What is the primary difference between the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle in terms of their geographical locations? 1. The Arctic Circle is located in the southern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle is in the northern hemisphere. 2. The Arctic Circle surrounds the North Pole while the Antarctic Circle surrounds the South Pole. 3. The Arctic Circle is a fixed line but the Antarctic Circle shifts annually. Or 4. The Arctic Circle experiences no sunlight during winter while the Antarctic Circle receives sunlight year round. Answer is 2. The Arctic Circle surrounds the North Pole while the Antarctic Circle surrounds the South Pole. These circles define the boundaries of the Earth's polar regions. The Arctic Circle is in the north and the Antarctic Circle is in the south. Question number 3. Which of the following phenomena occurs within both the Arctic and Antarctic circles? 1. Midnight sun and polar night. 2. Constant rainfall throughout the year. 3. Complete absence of wildlife. Or 4. Temperatures exceeding 50 degrees Celsius during summer. Answer is 1. Midnight sun and polar night. The midnight sun and the polar night are unique natural phenomena that occur in the polar regions of the Earth due to the tilt of the Earth's axis and its orbit around the sun. Question number 4. What is the main factor that determines the location of the Arctic and Antarctic circles? 1. Earth's magnetic field. 2. The tilt of Earth's axis. 3. The distance from the sun. Or 4. Ocean currents. The answer is 2. The tilt of Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of approximately 23.5 degrees relative to its orbital plane around the sun. Question number 5. Which of the following phenomena is unique to areas within the Arctic and Antarctic circles? 1. Extreme temperatures exceeding 60 degrees Celsius. 2. Permanent ice covering the entire region. 3. Alternating periods of 24 hours daylight and 24 hours darkness. Or 4th, continuous rainfall throughout the year. The answer is 3. Alternating periods of 24 hours daylight and 24 hours darkness. These circles mark the boundaries where the sun can remain continuously above or below the horizon for 24 hours during solstice, leading to phenomena like the midnight sun and polar night. Question number 6. During which event does the Arctic Circle experience 24 hours of continuous darkness? 1. June solstice. 2nd. December solstice. 3. March equinox, or 4. September equinox? The answer is 2. December solstice. During the December solstice, the North Pole is tilted away from the Sun, causing regions within the Arctic Circle to experience polar night, where the Sun does not rise above the horizon for 24 hours or more. Question number 7. At what time of year does the Antarctic Circle experience 24 hours of darkness? 1. March equinox, 2. September equinox, 3. June solstice, or 4th December solstice? The answer is 3. June solstice. During the June solstice, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, resulting in the Antarctic Circle having no direct sunlight for a full 24 hours. Question number 8. Which of these animals do you not get in Antarctica? 1. Penguins, 2. Whales, 3. Polar bears, or 4. Seals? The answer is 3. Polar bears. Polar bears live on the sea ice of the Arctic Ocean, where they hunt seals and other marine animals. But polar bears do not live in Antarctica because the environments are too different. Question number 9. Which region has no official time zone? 1. Arctic region, 2. Antarctic region, 3. Neither, or 4th both Arctic and Antarctic region? The answer is 2. Antarctic region. Antarctica does not have a permanent population, so there is no standard time zone for the entire continent. Question number 10. About 70% of the world's freshwater reserves are found on Antarctica in form of 1. Lakes, 2. Ice sheet, 3rd rivers, or 4th all of the above. The answer is 2. Ice sheet. Antarctica is covered by a vast ice sheet that contains most of the Earth's fresh water in a frozen state. Question number 11. How many countries are located within the Arctic Circle? 1. 10 countries, 2. 2 countries, 3. 5 countries, or 4th 8 countries? The answer is 4. 8 countries. The Arctic region covers parts of 8 countries. They are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Russia, and the United States of America. Question number 12. Why is Antarctica considered the largest desert in the world? 1. Because it has the highest temperatures on Earth. 2. Because it receives very little precipitation, making it a cold desert. 3. Because it is covered entirely by sand dunes. Or 4th, because it has no plant or animal life. The answer is 2. Because it receives very little precipitation, making it a cold desert. Antarctica is classified as a cold desert because it receives very little precipitation, averaging just about 2 inches of snow or rain per year. Question number 13. Which time zone is used in the Arctic Circle? 1. There is a single official time zone for the Arctic Circle. 2. The time zone in the Arctic Circle depends on the country or research station operating there. 3. The Arctic Circle follows Greenwich Mean Time year round. Or 4th, the Arctic Circle always uses UTC. Answer is 2. The time zone in the Arctic Circle depends on the country or research station operating there. Research stations in the Arctic often use the time zone of their home country or the time zone that suits their operation best. As a result, there is no single time zone for the entire Arctic Circle. Question number 14. Why is Antarctica much colder than the Arctic? 1. Antarctica is surrounded by warm ocean currents, while the Arctic is surrounded by cold oceans. 2. Arctic receives more sunlight than Antarctica. Third, Antarctica is a landmass covered by ice, while the Arctic is an ocean surrounded by land. Or fourth, Antarctica has a milder climate due to its proximity to the equator. The answer is 3. Antarctica is a landmass covered by ice, while the Arctic is an ocean surrounded by land. Antarctica is a landmass located at the South Pole and it is covered by thick layers of ice. Since it is land, it can cool down more easily and retain the cold, making it the coldest place on Earth. Question number 15. Which is larger in size, the Arctic or Antarctica? First, the Arctic is larger than Antarctica. Second, the Arctic and Antarctica do not have measurable sizes. Third, both the Arctic and Antarctica are the same size. Or fourth, Antarctica is larger than the Arctic. The answer is 4. Antarctica is larger than the Arctic. Antarctica is a continent and is significantly larger than the Arctic. It spans about 14 million square kilometers. Thank you for joining us in this fascinating quiz about the Arctic and Antarctic circles. We hope you learned something new today, whether it's the vast icy expanse of Antarctica or the endless daylight of the Arctic. These regions are truly remarkable. Keep exploring and stay curious about our planet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Thank you.